In the atomic structure, we have next topic spectral series. When the electron jump from higher energy level to the lower energy level, then radiations are produced in the form of light. So we can say E is equal to EH minus EL, where EH is the energy in the higher orbit, EL is the energy in the lower orbit. We know E is equal to h nu. For the higher orbit, we can write minus m e power 4 8 epsilon naught square n h square into h square. For the lower orbit, we can write m e power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n l square into h square. Now we can write h nu is equal to minus minus plus m e power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n l square into h square minus m e power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n h square into h square. Now we can write nu is c by lambda. We can take out common m e की power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught का square h का square 1 upon n l का square minus 1 upon n h का square. Now 1 by lambda is equal to m e की power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught का square h square hc will be here so 1 by n l square minus 1 upon n h square 1 by lambda is equal to m is constant, e is constant, epsilon naught is constant, h is constant, c is constant. So we can write here this is r which is equal to a constant nl square minus 1 upon nh square, where capital R is Rydberg constant, the value of the Rydberg constant is 1.097 into 10 power 7 per meter. To calculate the wavelength, we can use the relation 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 upon nl square minus 1 upon nh square. Bohr's explanation of spectral series of hydrogen atom. First is Lyman series. When the electron jump from higher orbit to the first orbit, then the radiation produced is in the region of Lyman series. For Lyman series, NL is equal to 1, NH is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To calculate the wavelength, we know the relation 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 upon NL square minus 1 upon NH square. To find the maximum wavelength in the Lyman series, for the maximum wavelength, 1 by lambda maximum is equal to capital R, NL is equal to 1, NH, this should be equal to 2. So 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. By putting the value of capital R, we can calculate the value of lambda, which is the maximum wavelength. For minimum wavelength, NL is equal to 1, NH is infinity, so 1 by lambda minimum is equal to R 1 upon 1 square minus 1 by infinity. So by putting the value of capital R, we can find the minimum wavelength, and this series lies in the ultraviolet region. In the Balmer series, the electron jump from higher orbit to the second orbit. So NH is 3, 4, 5, 6, NL is equal to 2. To calculate the lambda, we can use 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 upon nl square minus 1 upon nh square. From here we can find the maximum and minimum wavelength, and this lies in visible part. Third is Paschen series, when the electron jump from higher orbit to the third orbit. So NL is equal to 3, NH is equal to 4, 5, 6. We can calculate the maximum and minimum wavelength using the relation 1 by lambda is equal to R, 1 upon NL square minus 1 upon NH square. And this series lies in the infrared region. Fourth is bracket series, when the electron jump from higher orbit to the fourth orbit. So NL is equal to 4, NH is equal to 5, 6, 7, and this also lies in the infrared series. Next is P fund series, when the electron jump from higher orbit to the fifth orbit. So NL is equal to 5, NH is equal to 6, 7, 8, and we can calculate the lambda wavelength. 1 by lambda is equal to R, 1 upon NL square minus 1 upon NH square. De Broglie explanation of Bohr's second postulate. According to Bohr's second postulate, the angular momentum of an electron revolving in the nth orbit is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So de Broglie explained that whenever the electron is revolving in the nth orbit, then the circumference of the orbit, that should be the integral multiple of the wavelength. So de Broglie suggests that 2 pi r is equal to n into lambda. Now we can prove. According to Bohr's second postulates, angular momentum mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So we can write mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So we can write 2 pi r is equal to, this is nh upon mv. We know lambda is h upon mv. So we can write here 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. So therefore circumference is integral multiple of wavelength.